Hola, buenos días. Am, Hoy día vamos a aprender a utilizar de en las oraciones posesivas, en español, por supuesto. So today we're going to learn to create and translate possessive sentences in Spanish using de. Estoy segura que ustedes recuerdan el significado de la palabra de en inglés. Estoy segura que ustedes recuerdan el significado de la palabra de en inglés. I'm sure that you remember the meaning of the word de in English. Estoy segura que ustedes recuerdan el significado de la palabra de en inglés. De means of and from. Of and from. Of and from. So let's start learning how to use the properly. But yesterday, a lot of students, instead of writing in Spanish, they were writing the sentences in English. And now I'm going to teach you how to do this kind of sentences. So one of the questions that we had in yesterday's assignment was, who is Merche? ¿Quién es Merche? And some of you wrote Teresa's hermana, which is wrong, and or hermanas Teresa, which is also wrong. Because you're thinking in English. When you do that, you're thinking in English. So let me teach you how to do this. It's very simple. Just the only thing that we have to do is, of course, pay attention here. So let's see. The right answer is she's Teresa's sister. Ella es la hermana de Teresa, that is correct. Ella es la hermana de Teresa, and that is correct. So how do we say in Spanish Tom's car? El auto de Tom. How do we say Tom's houses? Houses in Spanish is casas. Tom's houses. Las casas de Tom. And how do we say Pedro's car? El auto de Pedro. See? So in English, you start with the person, but in Spanish, we put it at the end. Everything goes first and then the person. So in Spanish, you never start with the person. See? So to create sentences, we need to know the indefinite article. To create this kind of sentences, we need to know and use the indefinite articles. Do you remember them? Do you remember the indefinite articles? ¿Recuerdas los artículos indefinidos? Try to remember them. If you were thinking about el, la, los, las, you were right. Estabas en lo correcto. Felicidades. Congratulations. Felicidades. Very good. And if you didn't remember them, you will right now. So él, let's remember where to use the indefinite article. Él, without the tilde. See, there's no tilde here. Without the tilde. See, some people will get confused with that. No, that is wrong. No tilde here. Él with tilde means he. See? And all these words here, as I said before, they mean the. See? So él is used for singular masculine. The example for that is el chico, the boy. See? The boy. So how do we know that it's masculine? Because chico ends with O. So that is a masculine. That happens most of the time. There are some exceptions to that, unfortunately. So the boy, el chico. La is used for singular, and I missed the end there. Singular feminine, la chica. Again, la ends with a, and that's why we need to use la. Los is used for plural masculine. Los chicos, see? You see the ending of this word chicos here. That's why we need to put los. Los chicos, see? And las is used for plural feminine. Las chicas, see? Las chicas, the girls. So a lot of, some of you were asking, can I use niños instead of chicos for boys? Yes, you can. Niños, niñas. Okay, so remember all these words, el, la, los, la, las means the. Let's see, artículo indefinido. What are we going to do with all these sentences? We are going to create a rule that we can follow so it becomes easier to understand. So this is the following rule. We need an artículo indefinido. See? What are those? El, la, los, las, plus the object that we're talking about. We're talking about Peter's car. Well, that is the object, the car. Of course, this is very important, and the person and the owner. See here, for example, el carro de Peter. El carro de Peter, Peter's car. So Peter goes at the end of the sentence, and in English is different. Because in Spanish, we give more importance to the object that we're talking about. See, not the owner. The another example is la amiga de Laura. And here we're following the rule. La amiga de Laura. So, artículo indefinido, the object here, de, and Laura. So again, Laura goes at the end, but in English goes at the beginning. So Laura, Laura's friend. And friend, I put here, is a girl. We have to say amiga because it's a girl. And the other example is el amigo de Tom, Tom's friend. El amigo de Tom in English is Tom's friend. Again, Tom at the end. And we follow the rule here. El amigo de Tom. Okay, so let's see. Keep. So this is the presentation, and